Alright guys, so now we are here on Canva website and this is how we're going to do the videos. Okay, so you here guys on the homepage you will see the YouTube video. If you want to do a YouTube video, then you can just click this one and the size is 1920 by 1080 pixels. And if you go into this video, here you can choose if you want to do a YouTube video, the landscape video, the mobile video, or the TikTok video that we are always using, just click on this. A Facebook video, which is a square size like 1080 by 1080 pixels, and for reels that we're using in Instagram or TikTok, it's 1080 by 1920 pixels. And here are all the sizes of the videos that you can choose, whatever video that you want to create. So in this tutorial, I'm just showing you guys that you can set the size of the video that you want to make. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm gonna use a YouTube video which is 920 by 1080, so just click this one. Alright, so now here is the blank page of our video, and we're going to click the template so that you can choose the templates that you want for your video. So it depends on the niche that you want, so it's all up to you guys. So here are some of the templates that you can use. So like for example, I'm gonna click the video. So all the video templates are here guys. So as you scroll down here, you see the video here, Facebook videos, video messages, mobile videos, that you can play with this guys. So like for example, if you want to use this one as your intro or outro, then you can just choose this one. But make sure guys, if you see this crown, that means if you have a pro account, then you can use this, and if you don't have a pro account, then you can just find a video which is no crown so that you can use those. Okay, so let's say this one. Okay, this doesn't have a crown, so if you want to use this guys, you can just customize this template. Okay, so for example, you choose this one. You can always change the picture of this video. So for example, you click this one, and then I'm going to delete this, and then just delete the image, and then I'm going to go to my uploads, which is some of my videos or pictures that I uploaded here. Then find the image that you want to put in here. So for example, I want to put some of my video thumbnails, so I can just click this one and drag over here, and then I'm just gonna change this one, just delete the image and find other picture that you want to put into this. Okay, so I have my podcast channel also, so I can put my podcast channel here, and then I'm gonna delete this one, delete the image, and find some other image that you want to use to replace in that image. Okay, so let's say I want this one, so I'm gonna put my cats over there. Okay, I'm gonna change all of these guys. Okay, let's see how it looks like after we change all of these pictures. Alright, so as you see guys, I just changed a lot of pictures here, and I edited it, and you can take your time guys, whatever pictures that you want. So if you want to play this one from here, let's see how it looks like. There you go. So you can also do that. You can edit your videos, you can change images, you can change the video, so if you want to use those. So if you want to add another page for your video, you get to just to click this one, and then it's going to add another page for your video. Then you can also stretch this one, how long do you want this video. So this is, as you see here guys, it's 8 seconds, so you can make this short if you want to, you can make it long if you want to. Okay, so let's say 8 seconds, and then I'm going to add another page for this video. So let's go back to the templates, and then you can find the templates that you want for your video. Alright, so for example, you're talking about food or things like that, then you can just type here food. If your niche is like more about like restaurants or cooking recipes, things like that, then you can type the food, and then you can use these videos of food that you want to. Okay, you go to elements and type food. Okay, now there are a lot of here. You can click see all, so you can see all the food in here. And as you see, there is a crown here. So if you're using a free account, I'm gonna show you guys how you can easily find the free templates here. So all you're gonna do is here, click this one, and then here you can see the free. Okay, click that free, and then you will see all you're gonna see is all free. You can all use all of that. So these are all free. You see, you don't see any crown over here. So if your blogs, or if your video content is more about cooking, or teaching how to cook, then you can use all of these, guys. You see there is no crown here. Then you can always use this one as your video, so you can add it here just like that. And then you can always trim this one, guys. So it depends on how long that you want. You can, it's 14 and 8 seconds, so you can just move like that, so you can have your own time on how long or how short that you want to show your video. And then if you want to add another page for this, just click this one, and then find another videos here. You can click the video. You can just show photos if you want to. So since you are talking about food and how to cook, things like that, tutorials, so you can just choose whatever you wanted to use into your content. Or if you already have a video that you shoot or you took while you're cooking your own video, you're in your house inside of your kitchen, then you can just upload that video by clicking this upload, and then you can upload the files wherever that video is inside of your computer. So this is how you can create a video inside of Canva. You can edit it, you can make it short, you can make it long. It depends on what you want. So for example, I'm going to play this one. Okay, let's add one more video here so that you mix a little. Okay, let's go to elements again and find another video. Oh, this looks so yummy. Okay, so let's add. All right, so you see, guys, there's a sounds, right? So if you want to eliminate that sound, all you're gonna do is just to click this one, and you will see here, guys, the tools, the volume. All right, so it's 100. So all you're gonna do is just to put this into 0, and then you will see you cannot hear any sounds of those video. Or if you want to do a voiceover for that video, then you can do that. Okay, you can always remove the volume or the sounds if you don't need it, or if you want to insert your own audio into this, you can do that. So for example, we're going to play that in the beginning, and then you can always do like this. It's 8 seconds, so I think this is too long. And then there you go. You can add it depends on your niche. Okay, so if you're fitness, or like health and fitness, or sports, things like that, you can add the pages of your video. All right, so then after that, if you want to add more audios or background music, you can always choose the music that you want here, or happy cooking. Okay, so let's say happy cooking bits. Okay, so we're going to go here, and let's find some these are all free, so you can use this music for free. Let's say you want to add this music. What you're gonna do is just to drag this music down over here. There you go, and let's play. So you can also do that, or you can add your own background music while preparing this video or showing your video. So to do that, you go to your uploads, and then upload the files for your music in your computer. And then after you finish this one, you can now go and share this, and you can now download this as MP4 video, and then you can now upload this into YouTube. All right, so that's all for today, guys. That's a short tutorial that I want to share with you guys, that you can create a video inside of Canva, even though you have you don't have a pro account, you use the free account so that you can create a simple video tutorial inside of Canva. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like my short tutorial about how you can create your video, your content using Canva. Even though you don't have a pro account, you can use a free account. Like what I've shown you, you can use free account or pro account inside of Canva to create a professional video as what you see. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like, share, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so thank you so much guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.